Today we're in the back of Helensburg near Symbio Zoo. Gonna take you for a walk. Hopefully we get to find a waterfall or something. I don't know where I'm going, so hopefully we don't get lost. Okay, ready for your walk? Here we go. Let's go! Sign? No, it's not a sign. It's a gate to somebody's house. How beautiful these Banksias. Black cockatoo's favourite food. Hopefully we get to see it now while we're hopefully we're going the right way. Looks like there's a road ahead. I don't mind, I'll just keep continuing this track. Hopefully we get to a waterfall. Okay, let's see if this track takes us anywhere. Doesn't look like it does. taking me straight to the road. Okay guys, I think we've gone the wrong way. Maybe we'll go back on this track, see if we can find another track and find the waterfall. See you in a second, got to get back to the car park. Looks like I found the right spot this time. Let's have a look down here. Should be able to see the waterfall, I can hear it. Here's the waterfall just there. Whoa, we're at the top of the waterfall. Don't really like heights too much, but I'll try to get used to the edge here. Wonder if I can get down to that level. I'll take you across here, go over the other side, see if we can see the big waterfall from up the top here. Hey bud, how are you? Well, look how far down it is. We'll probably try to go for a walk down there and see what happens, eh? See if we can get right down the bottom there. Maybe if I take you for a walk over that side. Up there. We might be able to see the waterfall better from over there. Okay. This part here looks a bit interesting. How you going?
Good guys, enjoy.
Will do.
Sorry, man.
Oh, you're right, man. Might get on camera a bit though.
Oh.
Well, damn, look at that view. Don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you can see the ocean. That looks awesome. That looks awesome, eh? Gotta give my phone for a camera when I come back, for sure. That's a mad view. It's a mad valley. Yeah, I can hear some water coming this way as well. That's beautiful, nice and cool in here as well, feel that beautiful air. How pretty are these little flowers? Can you see the waterfall? I can see the waterfall. Looks like it's the end of the track going this way. You can go down a bit. We'll go down, but we won't go down too much because I don't like walking back up hills. We'll give it a go, see what's down here. Very pretty. I think I'm gonna finish this video. Ready? Edward. But before I finish it, I'm gonna see if there's anybody around. Oh, I've got an echo. I heard one. I'll do it again. There we go, I got it back. Have a good day, guys. Yeah, that's the end of our walk. We finally found it. Hopefully you like that walk. Very easy walk. If you want to take your kids, easy walk for your kids. Just make sure you come down this track. Okay? Down here. Not up there. If you want to get to the bottom of it, you go down this track. And if you want to get to the top, down here. Okay guys, hope you enjoy the rest of your night. Thanks for watching. next time.